Hello guys, I welcome you again in this new fresh video. This video is regarding the rolling process used for manufacturing different types of components. So let us talk about that. First question comes in our mind, what is rolling process? Rolling is a metal forming process in which stock of material is passed between one or more pairs of roller to reduce and maintain the uniform thickness. Rolling process is classified as hot rolling and cold rolling. Now, what is hot rolling? The rolling process in which metal to be passed between the rollers is heated above its recrystallization temperature. Then the process is known as hot rolling. And obviously, if the temperature of metal to be passed between the rollers is less than recrystallization temperature, then the process is known as cold rolling. Following are the different types of configurations used in rolling mills. First, 2 high rolling mill. Second, 3 high rolling mill. Third, 4 high rolling mill. Then cluster rolling mill, and last is tandem rolling mill. Let us discuss all the rolling mills one by one. First is 2 high rolling mill. This is the simplest type of rolling mill setup in which 2 rollers are used. The distance between 2 rollers can be adjusted according to the metal thickness. The lower roller is fixed, whereas upper roller has vertical motion to adjust the distance between 2 rollers. Both the rollers have opposite direction of rotation. It means if upper roller rotates in anticlockwise direction, then lower roller rotates in clockwise direction. This type of rolling mill known as non-reversing rolling mill. Further we will discuss about reversing rolling mill and non-reversing rolling mill. In this case, the stock or ingot is fed to the rolling mill from the left side. The 2 rollers will exert large amount of pressure on the stock and forces out to the right side, which results in decrease in the thickness of metal stock. Due to the direction of rotation of 2 rollers, we are unable to feed ingot from right side. So it is known as non-reversing rolling mill. Feeding of metal stock from right side is also possible, provided that there should be arrangement of changing the direction of motion of the rollers. It means in reversing mills, we can feed metal stock from both sides. The reversing mills are used to increase the productivity. Next type of rolling mill is 3 high rolling mill. In this type of rolling mills, 3 rollers are used one over the other in a vertical line. We can pass the ingot between first 2 rollers and then last 2 rollers. Please remember, direction of rotation of first and last roller is always same in this type of rolling mill. This type of arrangement has higher rate of production than the 2 high rolling mill because we can pass 2 metal stocks at a time. 4 high rolling mill. This setup is very much similar to 2 high rolling mill, but in this mill, instead of 2 rollers, 4 rollers are placed in a vertical line. But the size of all rollers is not same. The 2 rollers which comes in contact between the metal stock have the same size and the other 2 have same size. The big rollers are used for backup purpose only. Small rollers will exert pressure on the metal stock and thickness of material will get decreased. Rate of decrement is more in this case as compared to the other 2 cases which we have discussed above, and especially this rolling mill is used in case of rolling of hard materials. Next is cluster rolling mill. In this type of rolling mill, 2 or in some cases 3 backup rollers are used to reduce the thickness of hard material. Following point is very important about rolling mill. If we talk about the material, its volume remains constant in all the cases, but only change in shape and size takes place. We can see in the picture, length of metal stock is less before passing through the rollers. But after rolling operation, length increases and thickness of ingot decreases. Or in other words, length is inversely proportional to thickness of material. And the last is tandem rolling mill. In this type of rolling mill, metal stock is continuously passing through the different pairs of rollers so that we can obtain the desired shape and size of the component in one pass only. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please write your valuable feedback in the comment section below. See you in the next video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more videos like this. And finally, thanks for watching.